Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview 15-foot by 48-inch round frame swimming pool with filter pump. Kids and adults of all ages can enjoy swimming and splashing in this above-ground pool. This fits up 5 to 10 people. This pool is the affordable alternative to a more complicated steel-walled pool, yet it provides durability and stability greater than inflatable pool options. Extra strong sidewalls are made with 3 separate layers of material. The inner layer of polyester mesh is laminated to the 2 outer heavy-gauge PVC layers. It's tear-resistant and won't fade over time to sun exposure. Get ready to have hot summer fun in minutes. Add a touch of color to your summer family gathering. Product benefits: quick assembly with no additional tools, ready for water in 40 minutes. A durable, lightweight PVC material provides structural integrity to your pool. This set includes pool, filter pump, pool cover, and ground cloth. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.